Okay, hello, good afternoon. My name is Heider Gomez, and today I want to talk to you about this last final language test talk and everything that works around the song I Will Be There For You. All the analysis that was carried out starting from the fact of the first listening to the sound was the instrument, analyzing them one by one, and then concentrating to the listen to which was the one that was the most noticeable was something very great. It was really a very good exercise since at the beginning. The song, especially the one I choose, brings back me beautiful memories. When I watched the American series Friends, I remember that when I was uh, 10, maybe 10 years, I watched this kind of series and it was so good. It took me back the time, and I remember that with beautiful moments, things that I loved. I love this series. But now we are not talking about Friends. This topic was about I Will Be There, the song of the Remembrance. After listening to it again and notice the voice of the main vocalist so fast, so soft, uh, at the same time so fast, it scared me that I really read that I had to record my voice in the step six, which is terrible, by the way. But I could remember that this song, despite being a rock, it is moved with the lyric and the rhythm. This is the most exciting that it is a rock, but its sound is it's so smooth, and I consider that this is an excellent song too. After analyzing many more things about the song, such as what feeling they could cause without understanding um, the lyric and any of fully understanding the lyric, it was very amazing because you feel something different at the beginning and then at the end. Um, to recognize that it's a very beautiful song, which make us not only remember a television program that we watched when we were little, but that this song, when I read, I listened in detail, and its lyrics were noticed that it is a life experience. It is the step of being single and then sharing a life with a partner, with a couple, right? In couple. And then perhaps there are difficult moments, but everything can be overcome when working as a team. To finish, I want to say that step six was the most difficult since I do not sing. Okay, I can't sing at all, and I have less intonation. My intonation was good, but I intentionally had a phone like 1,000 times. Thank you. I consider that it was very good for me. It was a good, very good exercise. It was a nice experience, and I hope that it can be okay for all of us. Thank you so much.